Correlation and regression. I have uploaded the part 1 which is on correlation and this part is on regression. What is regression? Regression is a method of estimating the value of one variable when that of the other is known and the variables are correlated. Regression analysis is used to predict or estimate one variable in terms of the other variable. That is, you can estimate y in terms of x or x in terms of y. The questions that are asked in the examples are: find out the line of regression of y on x, or you need to find out the line of regression of x on y. Let's see the formula for that. So to find out line of regression of y on x, it is y minus y bar equal to byx into x minus x bar. And for finding out the line of regression of x on y, it will be x minus x bar is equal to bxy into y minus y bar. What is this bxy and byx? These are the regression coefficients. There are 3 ways to find out those regression coefficients. Let's see that. The first way is byx is equal to sigma xy minus sigma x sigma y upon n whole divided by sigma x square minus sigma x whole square upon n. And to find out bxy, it is equal to sigma xy minus sigma x sigma y upon n whole divided by sigma y square minus sigma y whole square divided by n. As you can see in both these formulas, the numerator is same, only the denominator will change. So whenever it is bxy, that is y is out, then in the denominator it will be sigma y square minus sigma y whole square upon n. And whenever it is byx, it is x is outside, then in the denominator it will be bx square, sigma x square minus sigma x whole square upon n. This is just a trick to remember these formulas. The next way to find out byx and bxy is byx is equal to sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by sigma x minus x bar whole square. And as I told you, for bxy, it will be, the numerator will be same, which is sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by, as y is outside, so it will be sigma y minus y bar whole square. So just a way to remember the formula. If here it is byx, then in the denominator it will be sigma x minus x bar whole square, and if it is bxy, then in the denominator it will be sigma y minus y bar whole square. Let's see the third way of finding out these regression coefficients. byx is equal to sigma dx dy minus sigma dx into sigma dy upon n whole divided by sigma dx square minus sigma dx whole square upon n. Then to find out bxy, it will be bxy equal to sigma dx dy minus sigma dx sigma dy upon n whole divided by sigma dy square minus sigma dy whole square upon n. The next thing that can be asked in the questions is to find out the coefficient of correlation. R is equal to square root of byx into bxy. Let's see some examples. Calculate the regression line of performance rating on experience and also estimate the probable performance if an operator has 11 years of experience. First, let's understand this question. Here you have been asked to find the regression line of performance rating on experience. So performance rating is X and experience is Y. So you have to find out the line of regression of X on Y. Here, as you can see in the data, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 values of X and Y are given to us, which means our N will be equal to 6. The first step is you will have to decide by which way you will find out the regression coefficient. So here I am using bxy is equal to sigma xy minus sigma x sigma y upon n whole divided by sigma y square minus sigma y whole square upon n. So for using this formula, I'll need sigma xy, sigma x, sigma y square. So now my next step will be to make a table. In the table, the first column will be X, the second column will be for Y, the third column will be for Y square, and the last column will be for xy. So for finding out Y square, it will be square of 5, which is 25, 6 square, that is 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81 and 10 square is 100. Then we'll have to find out the values of xy. So x into y, so 23 into 5, it is coming as 115. 43 into 6, which is 258. 53 into 7, which is 371. 63 into 8, it is 504. 73 into 9 is 657. And 83 into 10 will be 830. add all these values to find sigma x. This comes out to be 338. Sigma y, add these values, which is coming as 45. Adding these values, we are getting 355. This will be sigma y square. And finally sigma xy is coming as 2735. For finding out bxy, all you will need to do is put these values in that formula. So here sigma xy is 2735 minus sigma x into sigma y is 338 into 445 divided by n, which is 6, and whole divided by sigma y square, which is 335, minus sigma y whole square, which is 45 square, divided by 6. On solving this, we get bxy equal to 11.429. Then the next step is to find out x bar and y bar. X bar is equal to sigma x upon n. So here sigma x is equal to 338 and n is 6. This comes as 56.33. Next, finding out y bar, which is equal to sigma y upon n. Sigma y is 45 divided by n, which is 6. This comes as 7.5. Here, as I told you, that you have to find out the equation of regression line of x on y. It will be x minus x bar is equal to bxy into y minus y bar. We have already found out x bar and y bar and also bxy. So we'll just have to put those values here. X bar is 56.33. bxy is 11.429. Y minus y bar. Y bar is 7.5. Just solve this equation. So we get 11.429. X is equal to 11.429 y minus 29.3875. So this is the equation of regression line of x on y. That is the regression line of performance rating on experience. The another thing that is asked to us in this question is also estimate the probable performance if an operator has 11 years of experience. What does this mean? 11 years of experience means my y is equal to 11, and when y is 11, I have to find out the value of x. We can do this very easily as we have got the equation x is equal to 11.429 into y minus 29.3875. put 11 over here. So it will be x is equal to 11.429 into 11 minus 29.3875. On solving this, x comes out to be 96.3315. Find the lines of regression and coefficient of correlation for the following data. Values of x and y are given in this table. So here, as we can see, there are 8 values, which means n will be equal to 8. Here I am using the second way to find out the regression coefficients. For that, firstly we'll need to find out x bar and y bar. X bar is equal to sigma x upon n and y bar is equal to sigma y upon n. Adding all the values of x, you will get sigma x, which comes out to be 544 divided by n, which is 8, and adding all the values of y, that is all these values, you'll get sigma y, which comes out to be 550 divided by n, which is 8. So x bar is equal to 68 and y bar is equal to 68.75. Next step is to make a table. First column will be the values of x, in the second column the values of y, third column will be x minus x bar, then next column will be for y minus y bar, next column for x minus x bar whole square, the next column for y minus y bar whole square, and last column will be for x minus x bar into y minus y bar. So as we have found out x bar, I'll just write it over here. So x bar is 68 and y bar is 68.75. For finding x minus x bar, it will be x is 65 and x bar is 68, which means 65 minus 68, so minus 3. Then 66 minus 68, so minus 2. 67 minus 68, so minus 1. And in the same way, find out the other values. Let's see how to find y minus y bar. It will be y is 67 and y bar is 68.75. So 67 minus 68.75, which is 1 minus 1.75. Next value is 68 minus 68.75, so it is minus 0.75. Then 65 minus 68.75, which is minus 3.75. Same way, find out the other values. Then x minus x bar whole square, which is square of minus 3, so it will be 9. Square of minus 2, 4. Square of minus 1 is 1. Then y minus y bar whole square, so minus 1.75 square, which is 3.0625. Then square of minus 0.75, which is 0.5625. Then square of minus 3.75, which is 14.0625. Find the rest of the values. Then the last column, which is x minus x bar into y minus y bar. So just you have to multiply these values. Minus 3 into minus 1.75, which is coming as 5.25. Then minus 2 into minus 0.75, which is 1.5. Minus 1 into minus 3.75, which is 3.75. Find the rest of the values. I have already found out. Next, we'll have to find out sigma x, which we have already found out, which was 544. Then we had also found out sigma y, which was 550. Find out sigma x minus x bar. Just add these values. So on adding these, we get 0. Next is to find out sigma y minus y bar. So adding these values, we get 0. Then we have to find out sigma x minus x bar whole square. Adding these values, we are getting 36. Then next, we have to find out sigma y minus y bar whole square. So it comes out to be 51.5. Then finding sigma x minus x bar into sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar. It is not sigma x minus x bar into sigma y minus y bar, because here we have found out the multiplication, that is x minus x bar into y minus y bar, and on adding that we'll get the summation, and summation is 26. So sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar is 26. In question, we have been asked to find out the lines of regression. So we'll need bxy and byx. So byx is equal to sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar whole divided by sigma x minus x bar whole square. Sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar, that is the last column, and that we had got the value 26, and divided by sigma x minus x bar whole square, that value was 36. So this comes out to be 0.72. Next we have to find out bxy, which will be sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by sigma y minus y bar whole square. So this is 26, and sigma y minus y bar whole square was 51.5. On solving this, we get 0.5048. Next, we will have to find out the equation of regression line of x on y. While solving the example, you will have to write down completely equation of regression line of x on y and then find it. So it is x minus x bar is equal to bxy into y minus y bar. Here x minus x bar is 68, bxy is 0.5048, into y minus y bar. Y bar is 68.75. On solving this, we'll get x is equal to 0.5048 y plus 33.295. Then next you will have to find out the equation of regression line of y on x, which will be y minus y bar is equal to byx into x minus x bar. So y minus y bar is 68.75 equal to 0.72 into x minus 68. So on solving this, we'll get y is equal to 0.72x plus 19.79. One more thing is asked in question is to find out the coefficient of correlation. So the coefficient of correlation will be r is equal to square root of bxy into byx. So bxy is 0.5048, will be 0.5048 into byx is 0.72. On solving this, we get r is equal to 0.6028. So the coefficient of correlation is 0.6028. Now let's see one more example. From the following data, obtain the equation of the line of regression of y on x and estimate y for x is equal to 73. So here you just have to find out the line of regression of y on x. I'll be solving this example using the third way of finding out the regression coefficients. Here, first you have to find out n. N will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N equal to 6. The next step is to take one of the value of x as a and value of y as b. So here I am taking 74 as a. So my a is equal to 74 and the corresponding value of y for that value of x is 179. So my b will be equal to 179. Then I'll have to find out dx and dy. So to find out dx is equal to x minus a and dy is equal to y minus b. So it will be x minus 74 and dy will be y minus 179. Our next step is to make a table. Column 1 and 2 will be the values of x and y respectively. Then the next column will be for dx, then for dy, then dx square, dy square, and last column for dx dy. Now as we know that dx is x minus a, which is x minus 74. So 70 minus 74, which is minus 4. Then 72 minus 74, that is minus 2. 74 minus 74 is 0. Same way, find these values. Then 163 minus 179 as dy is equal to y minus 179. So 163 minus 179 is minus 16. Then 170 minus 179 is minus 9. 179 minus 179 is 0. Same way, find out the other values. Then for finding dx square, square these. So minus 4 square is 16. Then minus 2 square is 4. 0 square 0. Find all these values. Then for dy square, squaring minus 16 will get 256. Square of minus 9, so it will be 81. Then this will be 0. Then dx into dy, so it will be multiply these two values. Minus 4 into minus 16, so it is 64. Then minus 2 into minus 9 is 18. Then 0 into 0, so it will be 0. I have found out the other values. Then the next step is to find out sigma x. So adding these values, we are getting sigma x equal to 450. Then adding the values of y, we get sigma y equal to 1116. Then dx is coming as sigma dx is equal to 6. Sigma dy is equal to 42. Sigma dx square is equal to 76. Then sigma dy square comes out to be 2388. And finally, sigma dx dy is equal to 414. Next, we'll have to find out byx. As in the question, we are asked to find the line of regression of y on x. So here, byx is equal to sigma dx dy minus sigma dx into sigma dy upon n whole divided by sigma dx square minus sigma dx whole square upon n. Just put the values. So byx is equal to sigma dx dy, which is 414, minus sigma dx, which is 6, into sigma dy, which is 42, divided by n. So it's 6 divided by sigma dx square, that is 76, minus sigma dx whole square, which is square of 6. Square of 6 is 36 and divided by n is 6. On solving this, we get byx equal to 5.31428. So byx is equal to 5.31428. Next, we will have to find out x bar and y bar. So x bar is equal to sigma x upon n and y bar is equal to sigma y upon n. So x bar is equal to sigma x upon n. Sigma x is 450 divided by n, which is 6, and sigma y, that is 1116 divided by 6. So this comes out to be 75 and this comes out to be 186. So x bar is 75 and y bar is 186. Next, find out the equation of regression line of y on x. So it will be y minus y bar is equal to byx into x minus x bar. So y minus y bar is 186, byx is 5.3142 into x minus x bar is 75. On solving this, we'll get y equal to 5.3142 into x minus 212.57. Then one more thing that is asked in the question is to find out the value of y when x is equal to 73. So just put x equal to 73 in this equation. So it will be y equal to 5.3142 into 73 minus 212.57. So it will come out y equal to 175.37. So when x is equal to 73, y is equal to 175.37. So this was all about regression. So after seeing this video, it would be very much clear to you that you don't need to remember all the three ways of finding out the regression coefficients. As in the question, it is never given that which formula you will have to use. So just remember any one way and solve the examples. Thank you.